Here we have the CozyLux Fleece Bed Blanket. Now I like fleece blankets because they provide the warmth that I'm looking for, and they feel very plush and fuzzy, and also they're warm. So I like sleeping with these blankets, hanging out with them on the sofa while watching TV. It's just a very nice, comfortable blanket without the heaviness of like a quilt. And this one comes in 90 by 90 inches, so it's kind of big, queen size. And it has, the microfibers, which gives it that warmth without the weight. So it's pretty much made out of a polyester blend, and it's got a nice look to it. What's also good, it's pretty durable. It doesn't make those little tiny balls, the pilings. It's very simple. It's come in a variety of colors. It really feels like a premium product. Very easily machine washable in a general cycle with cold water. Throw it in the dryer, you don't have to worry about it. And they offer a 30-night comfort guarantee. So these have been my blankets of choice for a while, and you should consider it.